Hello guys, Java Python Interview Hub. Let's clear the confusion of today's question. What is the difference between priority and the severity? So, severity is impact of defect, while the priority is urgency to fix. So, the explanation is severity shows how serious the bug is, while the priority tells how soon it should be fixed. For example, for the severity, high severity plus low priority is equal to crash in rarely used module. Example 2, high priority plus low severity, logo misalign on home pages. So, Java Python Interview Hub for quick clarity for freshers. Learn with Java Python Interview. Thank you very much guys.